Hey guys, welcome to Grinding Gears, episode 4. Today we're going to look at getting these forks mounted. So we said before they were Ducati forks. High-sung forks of 2010 model, upside down. We tried to get some bearings that fitted into the headset of the frame, but they're 48mm, so it's an odd size, so we can only get 47mm or 52, so that didn't do us any good. So we've gone back, ordered some original, they're not originals, but they're tapered bearings. I've got a set here from an all ball setup, tapered bearings for the original CB200. So what we've got to do is get this stem out. The top one's fit, but the bottom one, machine that down. So problem is we've got to drop this stem out and get that machine down. So we'll get into it. We've already had these apart once, so that's why everything's pretty easy to get off. So this is the part we've got to machine down. It's only got to come down 1mm, so which is pretty good. We thought we were probably in a bit more trouble than that when I couldn't get them from the bearing shop. So tapered roller bearing. So I just got to get that on there, sit down on here. So we'll go and press it out and see what happens. Just like that, she's out. So we'll take it over to the lathe. I'm no machinist, but I know enough to get me out of trouble, I guess. This isn't a very sharp tool on here, so we just gotta that's it, it's home. Back in. A little damage there where I might or might not have hit it to get that other old bearing off. But you can see there it's nice and level, she's all in. So we've got that lathe back down now. So just got to pack the bearings. Never the best of job.
This looks like a shit job.
It is a shit job. The best way to do it though. Yeah.
Did you overlay it?
No. No, it's perfect. Look at that.
That's a good one, that one.
Perfect.
The other one.
No, she's mint.
She's new? Show us.
It's within spec, factory spec.
Oh, it's like a glove.
Look at that.
Wow.
I've actually got to push that on with a bit of force. You should realistically have a bit of thread bar. Oh no, should be right. Shibby jerk. Shibby. Alright, we can get this back together. This goes on the right side. And help things out. Bring our frame back out. We can all remember this, can't we? From last episode, a couple of episodes ago, maybe. Got a socket down. That's nice. Oh, she's tight. That's machined perfectly. So there it is, forks installed. So they're 2010 Hyosung GT250 forks onto a 1976 CB200. So if anyone wants to do that, all you got to do is grab the factory bearings, press that shaft out, get someone to machine it down if you don't have a lathe. It'll cost you bugger all, 1 mil difference, and you got yourself a set of upside down front end on your old shedder. So next time on Grinding Gears, then we'll be doing some wheels. Oh, that was last week. The next time on Grinding Gears, we're going to get this thing into a roller. So then we can work out our shock length for the rear and go from there. So our wheels will be on from last week, then the hard bit. So we've been doing all the easy bits first because that's the way you got to build up into these things. And so here's the board. We did get a bit done this week. So we didn't worry about this. So that's deleted.
Build wheels.
Build wheels, done.
Done. Test
fit wheels, sort of.
It's getting there.
We've done the fork bearings. We've got our tyres. We've got our sprocket. So we wanted a gold chain, so they got us a black one. But that's all good because it was super cheap. Hey Jimmy, super cheap. Thanks to Jimmy Berger. Shout out Jimmy for hooking us up with some parts. So the chain's on its way. Brake rotors are on order. Brake pads will deal with. So we're really up to getting our wheel bearings and getting them to fit. So that's our next big thing. So because we're using Hyosung front end, we're using Honda rear, we're using WR wheels, Yamaha, Honda. Don't usually like to go together, but we're going to make it. It's going to be like one of those videos you see on, what's that site?
Pornhub.
Oh, I didn't know you'd know that, mate. Like that is. Okay. All right. So until next week, thanks to everyone because it's been really big. So we thought we'd get like 10 views. So we're going all right. And thanks to the boys from Overtaken Lane. They gave us a big shout out last week and really appreciate it. So keep on with the build. If you've got something getting built at home, throw some pictures up so we can see on our socials because we love to see all that. Whether it's a car or a bike, we don't care. We love them all. And we'll see you on the next one. Well, you're not supposed to show me.